Hello friends, welcome to the channel Tips and Tricks. Friends, if you are planning to buy a sunscreen and searching for the best brand, then this video is for you. Sunscreen lotion are necessary as they protect your skin from harmful rays of sun. Excessive sun exposure can cause premature aging of skin. Therefore, men should use a good sunscreen lotion in daily life. There are many good brands of sunscreen lotions are available in the market, but if you need help in choosing the best product, then here is the video, and in this video I have shared the list of top 5 best sunscreen lotions in India. All these brands are available online. Please check description for latest price and discount. If you are new to our channel, then please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.